So we're at my house and we have some things to do. Some DIYs to be specific. Unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable. I'm going to leave that there. Smells. Let me set this camera up. Maybe on this chair. Nope. There we are. Good morning. So it's just me today. We're at my house and we have some things to do. Some DIYs to be specific. It's for the room makeover that we're going to be doing in my living room, and there's actually a lot of DIYs that I've been like doing and want to be doing. And if you saw the chair video, that's one of the things that's going to be in the living room makeover. So there's a lot of DIYs, which is crazy but fun. If you did see, there's the thrift shop haul that I did, and I bought a bunch of items, and I mentioned that I was going to be doing some DIYs for those ones. So those are some of the items that I'm going to be DIYing today, and I guess I'll show you. Should I show you my living room first? I'll show you my living room first. So Amelia won't be in this video today, so it's just a video that I'm doing at my house. So this is the living room. We have some ugly blinds. We have just like the chair that I made. I need to put that away. And then we have a rug that I bought, and this needs to be gone down. And then we need to obviously style the couch. And then we have, don't mind that, I need to unwind that. That was from a DIY fail that I did. I can put the link to the video up here. It's actually pretty sad but funny. Anyway, Amelia and I made these, and these will be going up here. There are some hooks from the previous renters, and I'm not wanting to put them on those hooks. I want to put them both right here. And then I don't know like what we're gonna do under here. And then there's this side, so that we have the door to the balcony, and then we have this window with just a pile of stuff here. This is like my catch-all basket where we put like bags, grocery bags and things like that in there when we want to take them back to the car. That's my blanket basket. And then my washing line thing. I don't know, we just need to like move that and put some sort of like table thing under the window there. And then this is like the TV watching area. I don't know. And the ceilings are quite high, which is really pretty. And yeah, that is the living room. So I mentioned that I wanted to do two specific DIYs for the living room. One is going to be these. I found, wait, let me set this camera up. Maybe on this chair. Nope. Oh, this room's so messy. Okay, whatever. Okay, so this I found out yesterday. I looked at the very bottom. If I can lift it, I'll show you. Oh gosh, it's heavy. This was, can you see that? $100 originally. I got it for only $17 at the op shop. Like, that is a saving of a lot of money. And then this one comes with it. Well, I had to pay $15 for this one. And this one was originally 60 bucks. Like, I can't believe I bought these for so cheap. But I love the shape. And if you don't know what like the style that I'm going for like a Mediterranean sort of style. I can put an example photo up here, and I want them to look like a creamy stone color instead of this like blue color. So I bought some spray paint. So I'm going to spray paint them and we can style them in the room makeover. So we're going to be doing that today. A few DIYs for the room makeover, and then I want to make a coffee table book. This background is literally horrible. I am so sorry, but that's the reality of this room. It's like my dumping room right now. So yeah. Oh, I don't know if you know this yet, but I'm getting a puppy and this is gonna be his room. I'm so excited. Anyway, I'm gonna make a coffee table book, my own coffee table book, out of a op shop book. I got this for like $4 and it's like a nice thick book, and you would have seen it on my thrifting haul video. And I'm really wanting to like make the edges look like more older and like worn down, like not like this stark white look. Yeah, so I am going to cover it with like some fabric and then maybe like do like a new like label here, and I can label it like whatever I want. It's gonna look really good. So I gotta find some fabric, and I need some sort of stamping thing. Either I have to buy one or my mom has one. Anyway, let's start with painting these because they need to dry, and then we can work on the coffee table book. Okay, so I'm going to spray paint these with this Dulux chalky finish spray paint in this creamy color. Hopefully it's the color I like. Okay, looks so ridiculous. I'm going to let them dry now, and then I'll do another top coat over that. So this is my fabric section / other DIY supplies and stuff. So all the fabrics are in these 4 baskets. Now here is got like all like the creamy fabrics and stuff. What's in here? This is a nice material. Could work. More like a linen-y material. That's nice. Let's check what's in this one. Okay, this is my couch material, so we can't match that. I wonder if I can bleach that. Maybe I need to get some fabric. Okay, so I have my options on the floor here. Yeah, so I've got some colors here. I don't know what materials are going to actually like work, but we can have a look and go from there. I have chosen a few. It all comes down to whether I want it to be a white fabric, like a beigey creamy fabric, but I'm not sure. I know I'm picky, and that means I'll want to go check some fabric out, but I really don't want to do that. I want to use what I have. I'll show you what fabrics I've chosen. Now, the book is colored right now. Should I paint it or should I cover it with like paper? I'm not sure. I'm gonna see what's gonna be a bit more cost effective. I might just line it with paper. That might be a little bit cheaper than using a paint. Yes, so we got to make it like white, so then we have a solid color base. So I have this fabric. Now it's a good like nice cotton fabric. It has a little bit of texture in it, but not a lot. Then I have this, it's a little bit more of a warmer tone than this one, and it's a little bit more textured and a little bit more linen-y look. So that is an option. That's actually used to be a dress. And then these two are 2 samples that I bought for my chair. I was going to do one of these colors, but I ended up going with another color. So we could do something like this. I would have to buy the fabric though. It's more of a gray tone though. I'm not sure how I feel about the gray tone. Would match my couch a little bit more. But I would have to buy the fabric by the meter. I wouldn't be able to buy just this size. So yeah, those are my options. We'll see. I've got a good idea. In my linen cupboard, I have these. This one is just from my blanket that I got, and it's just the casing for it, and I never knew what to do with it, so I just shoved it in there. And this is actually like a thrifted pillowcase that I found, and it's actually really pretty fabric, so I might use it. We'll see. Okay, so there's this waffly fabric one from that casing. It won't be so waffly when I glue it down, so it will look more like flat, if that makes sense. Okay, so this is the last option. It's actually a nice thick material. It might look too farmhousey, but I'm not sure. And the straps can go the other way as well. So there's that one too. Decisions. Okay, so I'm going to dye these pages with tea. Now, preferably maybe use coffee. It's a little bit stronger, but I only have tea. I need to buy some coffee. Got some hot water here, and I couldn't find a paintbrush. I don't know where my paintbrushes went. So I'm soaking a cloth in tea and then dabbing it on the edges of the pages here. So hopefully that works. Otherwise, I'll buy coffee. And I also have to go to Spotlight to get the glue. I had some glue and it's disappeared. I don't know where it went, but I need glue to glue some paper onto the hardcover, and then I'm going to put the fabric over top, just so that it's not like this ugly print like showing through if I glue it on or something like that. Okay, let's try this tea with the rag. Hopefully it works. Maybe it's too dark. Might be too dark. I'm gonna wet this cloth and then wipe over it. I don't know how much that actually did. Hopefully, I think it dries a little lighter from memory. I'm doing this side. Try not to over soak the pages because they will go a little bit crinkly. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry, go to Spotlight, get the glue, and come back. Oh my gosh, it looks so good even with the paper on it. Tea-dyed pages, white book. It looks so great, but there is a stain on the material that I am wanting to use, so I actually have to wash it, which means I have to finish this project another day. Let's check out the pots that we spray painted. Oh my gosh. If you can see them, they look beautiful. Oh my gosh, it looks like stone. It looks so good. It's bad lighting, but it's like such a matte finish. I really, really like it. I'm going to cover up some more blue parts that I can see, but they're almost finished. And then I can style them. Okay, I think they are officially done. I'll show you in better lighting when I style them when they're dry. Oh, I'm obsessed. They look so good, and I love the finish of the Dulux chalk finish. It's like unbelievable, absolutely unbelievable. I'm going to leave that there. Smells. So the fabric that I have washed is dry. It's actually much cleaner. It doesn't have any stains on it anymore. So I'm going to cover it over this book that I put paper on. It looks so fresh. I love how dark the pages, like the contrast look compared to the white. I think it's just like such a great contrast. So it's gonna look even better when I put the nice textured fabric over top with the old looking, fake old looking pages. Then I'm going to add a title. I don't know what title yet, but I'm going to add a title on the side of the book and the front of the book. Now to cover the book in the fabric, I'm going to cut it apart. It's a top. Okay. Okay, so I have done the book and now I just gotta title it with some of these stamps that I bought from Spotlight. And I've got black ink, but also I think brown ink would be really cool, but I guess we'll try it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do before I stamp it, I'm gonna open up the book and see this page that's kind of stuck. I'm going to just glue that shut so it's kind of a little bit more seamless. Or if you wanted to, if it was like a valuable book to you, which it's not for me, I would glue a white piece of paper here and then leave the page. I'm going to put some stamps on as the title. What title do I want? I gotta look up some titles. It looks so cool. And these are the letters I got left, and I got a few down here to do inspire to create. I'll show you when it's done. This is what I did. So I do not do the gaps very well with the two, but that's okay. I will show you in a more cute aesthetic way. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching me do my DIYs. I didn't want to spend like 50 bucks on a coffee table book, so I made one myself. Yeah, and then I finished the pots, which you've already seen. But I hope you enjoyed watching. I will see you next week, and so will Amelia. See you later.